Hey guys, how you doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect airplane. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to start off with a corner, and you want to make your corner like this. You fold the paper sideways like this. After you fold your paper sideways, you're going to unfold it. And you're going to fold the corner in like this. Try and make it as precise as possible. It will make the airplane fly better. Now you're going to pull in the other corner. Make sure your folds are nice. You can rub your nail over top of them like that to make them nice and flat. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it back like this and bring it down so where the line meets up with the other line, where this line meets up with this line, and it makes it straight. Once you've done that, you should have this little square here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to do the same thing that you did here, and you're going to fold the corner in. Now when you fold the corner in, you want to make sure that for sure this one is as straight as possibly can be, because this one is very crucial and is used a lot. Now you can fold in the other corner. It's fine if the tip isn't perfect. It will still fly pretty much the same. Now when you get this, you can fold up your airplane like this. And when you've done this, you're going to take this one of the flaps like this, and you're going to fold it onto its side, lining it up with the bottom of the airplane. You'll see you'll have just this little corner right here that isn't lined up, but this part right here is lined up. And you can use your thumb to flatten that out. Now you can do that to the other side. The other side's always a little bit easier because you have the guideline already done. The tip is pretty important too. You want to make sure that the tip folds in correctly and isn't weird. Now once you have this fold, you can unfold, and you now have the perfect airplane. The only thing that can make this airplane just slightly better that I know of is taking some scissors and cutting just right here, making sure that you're not going to cutting out. What you're doing is you're cutting out this little triangle right here. This little triangle. Doesn't have to be perfect. And that's how to make the perfect airplane. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Like, favorite, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.